Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to do a peace sign for yourself. How to do a peace sign using Photoshop. If your client asks you for one and you don't have one, this is how you are going to do about it to get yourself one. Okay, so if this is the first time you are watching my video, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like the video and comment if you don't understand any step we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to select the pictures as you already know and we drag them into the Photoshop. So we are going to use this picture, we are going to use this hands and this one as well. So let's start work. So first you make sure you create a new layer over here, so that's Ctrl J. Then we make sure we clean the hands over here. Please, if you don't understand anything, you can just go back and watch other videos on the channel. So we are done cleaning it. So please make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end so that you get to understand what I'm doing. So we are going to select the hands over here. Okay, so we are done. So we are going to make sure we select the hands only, just to copy the hands and take it to the place the picture is. So this is it. Then we copy and paste it here. So as you can see, this is how it's been done. We make sure we adjust it a little bit. That's the Ctrl C to adjust the picture. After that, we turn the hands to the other side. So like this, as you can see, the hands is turned very well, very easy. Then we make sure we drag the hands to the edge of the picture so that it will look real. So we make sure we color grade it, and that's the Ctrl L on the keyboard. After that, we press OK, then Ctrl B. We make sure the yellow comes in a little, the red goes in, the orange comes back, and we darken the picture. We darken the hands as well. Okay, so So as you can see, we are done. It's very simple and very easy to do this. If your client asks you for a picture of yourself with a peace sign, using your hands as a peace sign, this is how you must do it. It's very simple and very easy. Please, if this is the first time you are watching my video, kindly do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. There are more videos coming up. Make sure you like the video as well. Comment if you don't understand anything. Please, we are out. Thank you.